Alright, now we have some more data. This is from example problem number 4 on page 292. And I've added some additional data to make it more interesting. What we need to develop a trend forecast is a slope and an intercept of the trend line. I'm going to show you an easy way to find that. What you do is you select the data, including the time series, which time period each of the data points comes from. And then you go up and select Insert and Chart. The kind of chart that we're going to use is an XY scatter chart. And we just want the one with points only. To see what it looks like, you can push here and it shows you what it might look like. And that's good enough for me, so I'm going to push Finish. And it puts the chart in there for us. In your own assignments, I would hope that you would make it look nice. Maybe customize the look of your chart. Anyways, to get the trend line now, you see that we've just charted the points of the demand. We don't have a trend line yet. And the chart in Excel will find both the trend line and the equation for the trend line for us. What we do is you right click on these points, on any one of the points, and it brings up this menu. And you want to click on Add Trend Line. And of course we want to add a linear trend line. We're assuming that this data is linear. It looks like a line. I'm going to move this up here so you can see all of it. So we've selected linear trend line. Now we go to Options, the Options tab. And we want to select Display Equation on Chart. Otherwise there's no way to find the equation. It's going to find it for us. Now click on OK. And there we have it. It drew the trend line for us, this black line, and it wrote out the equation for us. Y equals 4.07 times x plus 104.93. That's the trend equation. The slope is the first term, and we're going to plug it into the cell 4.0714, and the intercept 104.93, just as it's listed on this equation. So Excel found it for us, and now we can move on to our next step of forecasting.